I'm an ordinary joker, getting old before me time. For me heart's in Taumarunui on the main trunk line. Taumarunui, Taumarunui, Taumarunui on the main trunk line. You can get to Taumarunui going north or going south, and you end up there at midnight and you've cinders in your mouth. You've cinders in your whiskers and a cinder in your eye. So you pop off to refreshments for a cup of tea and pie in Taumarunui, Taumarunui, Taumarunui on the main trunk line. There's a Sheila in refreshments and she's pouring cups of tea, and my heart jumps like a rabbit when she pours a cup for me. She's hair of flaming yellow and a mouth of flaming red, and I'll love that flaming Sheila till I'm up and gone and dead in Taumarunui, Taumarunui, Taumarunui on the main trunk line. You can get a job in Wellington or get a job up north, but you can't in Taumarunui though you try for all you're worth. If I want to see the Sheila, then I've got to take a train. Got 10 minutes for refreshments, then they cart me off again from Taumarunui, Taumarunui, Taumarunui on the main trunk line. Well, they took me on as fireman on the Limited Express, and I thought that she'd be Jake, but now she's all a flaming mess. But Sheila didn't take to me, I thought she'd be a gift. She's gone and changed her duty hours and works the daylight shift in Taumarunui, Taumarunui, Taumarunui on the main trunk line. So I'm an ordinary joker, getting old before me time, for me heart's in Taumarunui on the main trunk line. Taumarunui, Taumarunui, Taumarunui on the main trunk line.